What is going on, everybody? Welcome to another video. And in today's video, we're going to be analyzing all of the trades that I took live today, August 18th, and the reason behind taking these trades. What was I reading and looking at in our indicators that let me be profitable in 4 out of 4 accounts? Now, before you say something like, well, but you're only choosing the best trades, these are only screenshots, you can see here the video below that I recorded all of my trading day from 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. and you can see that the screenshots are actually from the video and the video has no cut. Now, that being said, let's start the video by reading the QQQ and the SPY delta hedging in the morning, because you cannot even think about placing a trade if you don't have a plan that you created based on the delta hedging from QuanticoCap. So for me, we were standing at a very easy place to buy because the market went up to this wall, the 722. We didn't break. We went all the way down to the 720, which was a stronger setup 6. The stronger setup 6 is the delta hedging protection, which is a trade very likely that we're going to bounce and keep going up. Now look at what happened during the pre-market. This was around 9 a.m. We went down, we did not break the 720, continued going up. Now for me, this was confirmation, and this is what I did. I placed my first trade, as you can see from the video here. This was around 840 on this stronger setup 6, and I waited until it touched my take profit. Now the cool thing is that we kept touching around this level and we were not breaking the setup 6. And Eric went live and he said that the opening, because of striking bell, was also most likely to go up, so that gave me the confidence to keep holding my trade until my target. And that's when I exited the first trade with $231 with 3 micro contracts. Now for trade number 2, I switched accounts when the market went all the way down again to the stronger setup 6. Unfortunately, we had broken the stronger setup 6 on QQQ, but I looked at the SPY delta hedging. As you can see right here, we were also touching the setup 6 on SPY, which is the 768. So although I am trading in Q, I'm also looking at SPY because there's a very high chance that SPY might touch this level, go all the way back up and drag QQQ up with SPY. Let's see what happened. Boom, profit. How much profit? $282 on my second account with 3 micro contracts. Now we started going up when I saw that we had touched a very important level, which was the 722, and we were also getting very close to the 770 from SPY, which was a wall. I decided to sell because we were most likely gonna have a bounce. And after selling here, let's see what happened. Market went down, took me out at a profit, and I made $447 with 3 micro contracts. How many points is that? Let me do the calculation right now, because this was a beautiful movement. That is a 74-point movement. It's huge. And then last but not least, and this was the most complicated account that I traded because I made 3 trades on this account. And I'll explain the whole thought process right now. When we went down and got a confirmation for the stronger setup 6, as you can see right here, we kind of broke the setup 6, but we got a green candle right afterwards. We were still at the 719.70. I said to myself, okay, well, let me go long. And the market did pay for a little bit. I was making $133 at one point with 3 micro contracts. So $133 divided by 6 is 22 points, which is not a bad pullback. But in my strategy, me personally, Alvaro, I have to make around 40 points. So I couldn't just take profit right here. I saw the market going down again, getting a few red candles and being consolidated below the 720, which for me is a confirmation of a setup 2. Setup 2 works in a way where if we have a setup 6 in this line, we break the setup 6, go down, touch the setup 6 from below, touch the setup 6 from below, and we keep going down. This is now a setup number 2, which is a bearish setup. This is everything you need to know that you should go short. Now the problem with setup 2 is that once QQQ gets on setup 2, we go down quick, like we have some really big candles. When I saw the continuation of the movement towards the 719.2, I not only stopped my trade, but I also shorted with 3 micro contracts. We went down and I left with around $150 in profit. And here is where the third trade for this account came in. We touched the 718, we did not continue going down, and SPY also basically touched the 768, which is a setup 6, and did not break the setup 6. Instead, we got a green candle. And once we got the green candle, which is a confirmation of a pullback here and the confirmation of the pullback here, I entered long with 3 contracts, making just enough on this account to make back the money that I lost on the first trade, but also come out profitable, $243, which is part of my plan. So overall, I'm pretty happy with the results today. Now, I only traded 4 of my accounts today because I was busy testing this new software that I'm building for prop firms. I'm not going to go into much detail, but this is pretty cool because it allows me to know exactly how much money I need to make per day to be able to reach my payout as quickly and as efficient as possible. This has a whole logic built into it, letting you know the best number of contracts and the days, how much money you need to make per day to reach your payout. It also works as an amazing trading journal, and I'll let you guys know when this comes out. This is going to be very helpful for everyone trading prop firms. That being said, guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.